How to fix error code 400 on your CFB25 team builder here on application or on the website wherever you were operating this. For this, as you suppose this is the main page of team builder EA where you're facing the error. How you can fix it? Simply first of all you have to close the application or the browser you are using, and then simply click on this right bottom of your PC, that is the Wi-Fi option here, and check your network connection that you're connected with a better network connection, and you have to refresh your Wi-Fi setting, your data setting, and your laptop refreshment. The main thing, simply click on the airplane mode, turn it on and then turn it off to solve this problem. Basically it will refresh your PC and your bugs, it will fix it, and then you can use it. The last thing you can do is simply click on the start button and then proceed to restart your PC, and whenever your PC will be restarted, all the problems will be solved within just some seconds. So this is how you can actually do. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel for watching such updates like this.